Okay, this video is going to show my connection from my home page to the database, the PHP Motors database. So you can see in my home I have it calling that connection right here, right there. So we're just going to go into the connections, PHP, and this is where I have all of the information for my database stored. So it knows where to connect, and then this is saying if there's an error connecting, then pretty much display this page. And so I'm having it display in the view 500 PHP. So I am just going to show what happens when I go there. So this is my home PHP, and I'm just going to show what happens if the connection is broken. So it does redirect to the 500 PHP, and it just shows that there's an error. So yeah, that I believe is it. Thanks for watching my video.